Welcome to the channel BE Square. I am your instructor Muhammad Haseeb for the course Electric Machinery Fundamentals. Its prerequisite is circuit analysis and design. So let's get started. In this video, I will give you the brief introduction to course outline of Electric Machinery Fundamentals, and we will discuss all these topics in detail in our upcoming video lectures. First of all, I will give you the short introduction to electric machinery. Electric machinery is an important field of study that deals with the principles and operation of different types of machines used in various applications. In this course, we will discuss about types of electric machines, applications of electric machines, and the principles on which these electric machines are working. In electric machines, first of all, we will discuss about transformers. Transformers are the devices that transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another through electromagnetic induction. It is a static device because it can only up down the voltage without changing the power. We will discuss about the principle of transformers. Transformers work on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Transformer construction and its parts, such as conservator tank, breather unit, low voltage bushes, drain off, main tank, etc. Transformer types. There are different types of transformers such as core type transformers, shell type transformers, Barry type transformers, their applications and their equivalent circuits. Next, in electric machines, we will discuss about DC machines. DC machines includes both DC generators and DC motors. DC generators can convert mechanical energy into DC electrical energy, whereas DC motors can convert DC electrical energy into mechanical energy. Construction of DC machine and its various parts such as armature winding, stator, rotor, frame, cooling fan, etc. and the most important parts such as commutator, carbon brushes that can convert AC voltage into DC voltages and DC voltage into rotating magnetic field. Operating principle of DC machines. DC machines works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Types of DC machines. There are various types of DC machines such as shunt DC machines, series DC machines and compounds DC machines. We will discuss their characteristic and performance in our upcoming video lectures. Next, in electric machines, we will discuss about AC machines. It also includes AC generators and AC motors. AC machines are the machines that can convert mechanical energy into AC electrical energy or vice versa. Construction of AC machines and its parts such as stator, rotor, permanent magnet and electromagnet. There are different types of AC machines available such as induction machines and synchronous machines. We will discuss about their different performance parameters and operations of AC machines in our upcoming lectures. Next, we will discuss about motor control. Motor control is an essential in many industrial and commercial purposes, where precise control of speed, torque and direction of electric motors is necessary. Motor control not only saves time but also improves reliability, efficiency and provide protection to motors. Then and last topic we will discuss are special machines. These are the machines which are built for special purposes such as stepper motors, servo motors, linear motors. Stepper motors are used in medical equipment, 3D printing and in different types of industries. Similarly, servo motors are also used in medical equipments and different types of industries. Linear motors are also built for special purposes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.